but she ought to know. She can pass the next 8 bars and find nothing but booze and pain and heartache on the way. Got a broken car, you're the boss wheel, got a bloody hand and won't heal. That's my best excuse. I got a broken car, you're the boss wheel, got a bloody hand and won't heal. That's my best excuse. Well, I didn't say I'm past the point of caring about you anymore, but something's gotta give if you're gonna live up to the good times that you promised me. I know that I'm not gonna be around for very long. Got a broken car, new boss wheel, got a bloody hand and won't heal. That's my best excuse. Got a broken car, new boss wheel, got a bloody hand and won't heal. And that's my best excuse. I get tired of sitting on this bar still thinking about you. Thinking about you. Got a broken car with a busted wheel, got a bloody hand that won't heal, and that's my best